Hello, 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 and welcome with Cooking with Camille. Today we're going to do something quick in a hurry because I have a baby shower I got to do Sunday and I got to make 3-pound cakes. So we're going to do something quick. We had some leftover vegetables from the shish kebabs and some chicken, so we're going to do a little stir fry. I got some rice on. I'm going to wash this chicken and cube it real good, and we're going to stir fry it with the vegetables. Okay, so we're going to cut it up in strips. Can you see it? We're just going to cut up in strips real good and fry it. I got a little olive oil in the skillet. We're going to use some Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning. We're going to do some chicken seasoning, grilled chicken seasoning, some pepper and some chives, and a little, maybe a little garlic salt. Okay, so we're going to cut them up in julienne strips. That's the long strips like this, julienne. And then we'll cut it again in half to have a lot of chicken. Okay, and we're just going to stir fry that, and then we're going to cut our vegetables, okay? So we're going to turn it down a little bit. We're going to add our chicken flavor, chicken seasoning, our Italian seasoning. Oh, I hate when the grease get all on my stove. I just cleaned my stove. Oh, I hate that. Some pepper. And some chives. I'm just going to stir fry that. And I'm going to cut my vegetables while that's cooking. I'm going to cut my vegetables up. So we're going to stir fry them in there too. Okay. You like this? I can't stand it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to cut some zucchini up in there. I'll cut them in half. So we left them whole on the shish kebab. Cut them. I got some mushrooms. I'm going to cut, slice them. Fresh mushrooms. What is this? A piece of red onion. Put our mushrooms in there. We're going to cut up our onion. I got a white onion and red onion. We're going to put that in there. Both of them. Everything julienne cut. So it's be nice and thick. So we're going to cook down. And continue to cook. Cut the red peppers and the orange peppers up. So let's put all our vegetables in there. Okay, I got enough vegetables in there for color. We're just going to add the seasonings to that. Same seasonings. And just let it stir fry. Chives. Italian seasoning. And pepper. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of roasted herbs to it too. Roasted herbs. Seasonings just make flavors just better. Okay? And we're just going to keep stir frying it. The chicken's at the bottom, just keep stir frying it. We're going to put it over the rice pilaf. Okay? Just keep doing that. I'm going to put the lid on there so it can simmer a little bit. So let that simmer for about 10 minutes and then we'll come back. Look at that. Looks nice already. Tender chicken. Rice. I put an onion in the rice. See? Chicken broth. We're just going to let it simmer just about 5 more minutes. Okay, let's plate it up. Let's get some rice. Put in the middle. Chicken rice. This is chicken rice. And then we'll add the vegetables. Turn it off. All the vegetables off. Let me get a spoon. One with a hose in it so you can drain some of it. It smells good. Look at that. Yeah, don't look at my hands. I'm making a cake. So, making 3 cakes. I got flour all on my hands. Look at that. Mushrooms and zucchinis and red peppers and yellow peppers and orange peppers and boneless chicken and red onions and yellow onions. Perfect. Okay. Wipe my plate off. The finishing touch. Stir-fried chicken on some rice. Chicken rice. Less than 30 minutes. Easy meal, quick meal. Leftovers. Leftover from the shish kebabs. Don't that look nice? Beautiful. Beautiful. Y'all have a blessed day. Monday, I will pick the winner Monday. I won't be on tomorrow or Sunday because I have a baby shower. But I'll see you Monday and tell you who the winner is for the month of March, because I'll be having surgery on Thursday. I'm asking everyone for their prayers, having a full knee replacement. And y'all should see these flowers that one of my customers gave me. Was wonderful. I got to show you. Hold on. Look, y'all. Ain't that beautiful? Look at that. Ooh. Wasn't them beautiful? Thank you to my customer, one of my favorite customers. I must be treating him right. He said he was giving me flowers while I can smell them. Ain't that's what they used to say? While I can smell them. Thank you so much. Everybody have a blessed day, and I'll see you later.